Welcome to the Career Day at Hitchcock Primary School. Today we're exploring jobs to make the world better. I grow up, I can be anything. It starts here. Can change the world. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor and help people.
Now growing up, I want to be a firefighter and save the day.
I want to be like my mom.
When I grow up, I want to build amazing things.
I want to be a pilot and fly high in the sky.
I want to be a police officer and keep people safe.
When I grow up, I want to be a news reporter.
I turn my big machines and build new worlds.
The world is full of big possibilities. One day I'll change the world. One day I'll make a difference. What starts here? Change the world!
Oh, yeah. Pilot, right?
What about I'm a doctor?
You want to be a doctor?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.